Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back. So in today's video, I'm about to show you guys how I add end screens and cards to my videos using the YouTube mobile app. Okay, so end screens and cards are very important if you want to be a very successful YouTuber. I say this because end screens and cards serve as a direct link to other videos you have so that your viewers or your subscribers can watch if they are interested. And then it also provides a portion where you put your subscription button there, so when they just click on it, they are able to subscribe to you. It's very easy. So end screens and cards helps you to increase your views and then your watch time as well as your subscribers. Very easy, like very easy. And also, growing up watching YouTube videos, when I see end screens and cards on people's video, it makes their videos look so professional and really adds some kind of beauty to it. So yeah, I really like adding end screens to my videos. So if you're a YouTuber and you do not do this, then you should start doing it because it's very important. So without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. So we are going to need our YouTube app. So we open it. And then when it's downloading, you click on your picture at the right top hand side. And then you click on your data in YouTube. So you scroll down and then your YouTube dashboard. Your YouTube content appears here. Examples of content include videos that you've uploaded, comments that you've made on videos, and channels that you've subscribed to. So we're going to deal with my videos. So we click on videos so that to take us directly to the videos. Oh yeah. So this is going to load for some few seconds and then yeah, so it has brought me to my channel, but this is not the mood that we want it in desktop mode. So we'll click on the three dashes at the right hand side here and then you click on desktop. So yeah, these are my videos. So I'm going to zoom in and the three dashes at the top left hand side, you click on it and then you click on my channel. Okay, so we want to edit these videos. So to be able to do that, we have to go to video manager. So the one above the channel banner, video manager. So when it's downloading, it's going to bring you the videos, and yeah, you have the edit mode and everything, the number of likes you have for each video's views and everything, the comments and all. So the video that you want to add your end screen to, that's the video you're going to choose. So I'm going to add end screens to this video of my braids hairstyles for kids butterfly design. So I'll click on edit. So when you click on edit, oh damn, a minute. So you click on edit. So you have everything here: info and settings, enhancement, audio, end screens, cards, and subtitles. So here we want to add end screen, so we choose end screen. I think that's the fourth. Yeah. So yeah, this thing is trying to give you a tutorial about how you can do the whole thing if maybe you're a first timer. So I don't really need it. Maybe you can do it later. So yeah, this line here is showing you where you want your end screens to start from, and this video is I think 3 minutes 50 seconds. So this side is too far for me. I usually like my end screens to be maybe 30 seconds or 40 seconds, or maybe, yeah, away. So I think I'm going to bring it a bit further. So if you want to bring it a bit further, you do this, you press on the thing, and then you move it to wherever you want your end screen to start from. So yeah, let's go to the real thing. So first of all, before you can add the end screen, you have to choose a template. So if you already have a template you want to use, a design you want to use, you can import from here. But if you don't have and you want to use the one YouTube offers, then you can press use template, and then you can choose either. So here, one video, one subscribe, meaning you can add just one video to it, and then your subscribe button, and then you scroll down here, 2 videos, no subscribe button. Here, 2 videos, 1 subscribe. So you can choose, and also you can also choose how you want your end screens to be arranged. For me, because of how my video ends, I like it to be like this one. So I choose that one, and then when you choose it, when you click on it, then you click on select. Then so yeah, it's here on my video, 1, 2, and then the subscribe at the top. So yeah, this is where we are going to do the real thing. So the subscribe is already there, my name and everything. So you choose a video or a playlist from your library, the one you want to add to the video. So if you're ready, you click on the pencil, and then it will say select element. So it will give you your videos, and then you select from them. So I'm going to add this video. So when you click on it, then you press save, then it will save. So if it's saved, you see it here. Yeah, so that's it. So you click on the pencil again. Sorry, I clicked it too much. Click on the pencil, and then the video list of your videos pops up. Then you scroll down, and then you select a video that you want to show on your end screen. So I'll choose this video. Click save. Yeah, so that's it. All my end screens are added, but it has gone back to where I don't want it to be. So 30, 20, I think it's okay. It's okay. So I'm going to leave it, just 20 seconds difference. So I'm going to leave it the way it is. So okay, they said I should add space, so I'm going to add space between them. That's it. So we are moving on to the cards, but before you leave, you have to make sure that you save all that you've done. So you save it, then when it's saved, then you go on to the cards. So with the cards, it's also the same thing, but that one is personal preference. How you want the card to be apart, the number of times they show, it's really up to you. So for this, just watch how it's done, and maybe you can do your own way. So for me, maybe I want my first card to show after my video starts, after I think 30 seconds or more. No, 42 seconds. No, 32 seconds. I'll place it there, and then I'll come here, add a card, either a video, a channel, or a poll, or anything, a link. So I'm going to add a video. So you come back here again, the list of your videos are here. You choose the video that you want to show on your card. So I'll choose this video, and then you click on create card. So when you're done, it shows here. So with the cards, you can add 1 or 5. So meaning you can add 5 cards to a video. So I've added just 1. So like I said, you can add just 1. That one, it depends on your personal editing or preference or anything. So I want my next one to show to you just click where you want it to show, and the line will just come there. So I want it to be here. Then I'll click on add cards, and then create, and then my video show, and then I select a video, this create card, loads, and then it saves. So in that order you do it. Select all the videos you want to show as cards on your video, add card, create, and then this one, create card. It's pretty simple and easy, and it's so convenient to me because I use my phone for everything ever since I started YouTube, and like I use my phone for entirely everything. So add card in that order, create, and then also like this. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's all to it. So when you're done, you've already saved everything. It says here that all changes saved, so you're good to go. So when you're done, you can just go back by clicking down here at the left down there, and to take you back to your channel, back, 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 back. Or when you're done, you can just zoom in here, the 3 dashes. You can choose my channel to take you back to your channel, and maybe if there are other videos there that you want to also edit, you can just go through the same procedure and edit everything. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like my videos, and give me a comment down below about what you think or anything else you want to see me do on my phone. Okay, so until next time, please be safe, take good care of yourself, and stay at home at this coronavirus era, and let's all be safe and protect ourselves and our family. So until then, bye.